arbitrarily detained former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan called on the country's judiciary to stand for the rule of law. Speaking informally to reporters during his illegal secret jail trial, Imran Khan said that all the country's institutions have been destroyed except the Supreme Court, which is now being attacked. Mr. Khan, who hasn't been seen publicly since his arrest on August 5th last year, continued his call for the supremacy of the Constitution. He said, and quote, "I want every Pakistani to understand that democracy and the rule of law are necessary for freedom. People will have to come out for a street movement." Imran Khan, the former Pakistani Prime Minister, has said that the Pakistani military regime wants to kill him, like the Egyptian President Mohammad Morsi was. Mr. Khan, who has had 2 assassination attempts against him since the overthrowing of his government in a soft coup, said through his sister Alima Khan, "They plan to finish me off in jail, following the same pattern as they did to Morsi in Egypt." In a tweet, Alima Khan added, "Our family was given similar information from a credible and reliable source that a decision has been taken to eliminate Imran Khan." Mr. Khan has stated that Pakistan's de facto ruler, Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir, and the intelligence chief General Nadeem Anjum would be responsible if he or his wife are harmed. Chief Minister of Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, which borders a Taliban-controlled Afghanistan, has said he would send a delegation to engage with the interim Afghan government for peace in his province. Ali Amin Gandapur, in a speech yesterday, said the country's military government had ignored his repeated requests for a coherent policy on the rising terrorism in the KP province. In a gathering of lawyers, representatives of bar councils, ministers, and parliamentarians at the KP House, the Chief Minister said, and quote, "Is our blood thinner than water? How long can I tolerate this? As a leader of the province, I will personally speak to Afghanistan. I'll send a delegation to Afghanistan. I will speak to them, and through negotiations, I'll resolve the issue and save lives." Unquote. The Islamabad High Court on Thursday sought clarity from the federal military government regarding the possibility of a military trial for incarcerated former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Regime ministers and even the spokesman of the Pakistani army have hinted at trying Imran Khan in a military court. The prison which Mr. Khan is being held in currently is controlled by military intelligence officials. The Pakistani army is currently holding 85 civilians, which it has tried illegally and unconstitutionally in its military courts. Indian police arrested 33 people after a surge in ethnic violence in Manipur state, where a curfew and an internet blackout have been imposed. Fighting had broke out in Manipur in May 2023 between the predominantly Hindu Meitei majority and the mainly Christian Kuki community, an ethnic conflict that has since killed at least 200 people. Since then, the communities have splintered into rival groups across swaths of the northeastern state, which borders war-torn Myanmar. Authorities imposed an internet shutdown in several areas, repeating a blackout that last year lasted for months. Police also ordered a curfew, but hundreds in the state capital defied the order.